Now that we know how to switch well between the 4 chords in the key of D, let's put it to good use. We're going to play through this chord matrix right here 3 times. First time through, you get 8 clicks between each chord. We will strum each one just once. 1, 2, ready, and we've got D. Coming up, we have G. Back to D here. Ready, and A's coming up. All right, switching back to D here. Go ahead and keep those fingers together, move them up 2 strings to B minor. And back to D. This ends the first line. Headed on to that second line, we've got G coming up right about here. Headed to A, move that first finger down and flatten it. All right, back to G. We've got B minor coming up. Ready, and use that pivot finger to switch back to G now. We've got G. Here comes D. This one we should be really familiar with thanks to week 6, week 7. All right, we're going to play our G chord here, and that is halfway through the chord matrix. All right, third line. We've got that A chord coming up. Third line, ready, and B minor right here. Headed back to A. D is next. We just move down a string with our first finger. And here comes A. Followed by G. Ready, and all right, back to A, and then we've got the last line. Ready, and B minor is next. Move up a string, then put those other 2 fingers down. All right, we've got D. Keep these 2 fingers together as they come down and cross. Ready, and all right, here comes B minor again. Headed to G here. All right, then we have B minor. Here comes A. And we're going to end it on a B minor right here. All right, second time through, we're going to do 4 clicks between each chord. Strum each one just once. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and D. Here goes G. Back to D. Here comes A. D. B minor. And ended on a D chord here. All right, here comes G, second line. A. G again. And B minor. Here comes D. And end it on a G chord. Halfway through. A is coming next, third line. B minor. A. Here comes D. Then A again. G. And A. Okay, B minor, last line. D. B minor. And G. Here comes B minor. Here comes A. And we're going to end it on a B minor right here. All right, last time. Let's still do every 4 clicks, but this time pick a strumming pattern you know well, or just strum each time it clicks like me. Here we go. Ready? And D, G, D, A. Keep that right hand going no matter what. Back to D, B minor, and D. Second line. G, A, G, B minor, G, D, then G. We're halfway, headed to the third line right here. A, B minor, back to A, here comes D, now A, G, and A. Last line, starting on B minor, right here. Switching to D, B minor, G, B minor, A, ending on B minor here. Awesome. Let's dive into your song of the week. Remember, pick one that's your favorite, or if you hate all of them that are a part of this module, cruise over to the TLDR Songs module and see what there is in the key of D. Happy playing.